Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to insert data in a table. So first of all, I want to run my query and see my table. Select from students table. So I just come here and run the query. And here, when I click here, you can see I have the name of the columns here and I don't have any data here. So I want to add data here or insert data here. I just remove this and type here insert into. So now name of the table is students, and here I put bracket, and here I have to specify the columns here. So the first one is student ID, comma, last name, comma, first name, comma, email, comma, city, comma, and country. So the next one I have to write the values here, values, bracket. So now whenever I write strings, I have to put them in quotation marks. So I just, for student ID, I just type here, I should put on quotation mark 2a, comma, quotation mark, last name, for example John, quotation mark, Zoe, comma, email address, quotation mark, Zoe and gmail.com, comma, for city, for example Melbourne, and for country I choose AU. And here now I run my query, you can see. So when I come here, I see the result. You can see it's my query, full query. So now I just remove this and right here select from students, and here I come here. You can see here I have my first row here, 2A, John and Zoe, and you can see I just add this here. So now I want to add few more rows, so that's pretty easy. Insert into. So after that I have to write the name of the table, students, and here I pen bracket. So the first one I have to write the name of the columns here, student ID, comma, last name, comma, first name, and here I don't want to add email address and city for this. I just want to add country here, country, and the next one I have to write values here, values bracket, and here, so whenever I write strings I have to put in quotation mark, quotation, for example 2b comma comma first name, if for example comma the name of country, for example US, comma to C, comma John, Catherine from Canada. And now I just run my query. So you can see here I just run my query here. So when I click here, you can see it's my full query. So now I just clean this, type here, select from students and run the query, and here you can see, and that's it about inserting data in a table. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.